All right, everybody, welcome back. We are on level 8 of lesson 3, drawing in Game Lab, and as you can see, it is a purple circle or ellipse. So this means this is an assessment level, which means that I will give you some tips, and I will go over the rubric, but I will not do this with you. This is your assessment, and assessment wouldn't be really good if I gave you the answers. So let's look at it. It says debugging. Often code doesn't work the first time it runs, and programmers have to debug it. This is very true. The code below is supposed to make the picture on the right, but the programmer got confused about which order the code should be in, as well as how to put a square in the right place on the screen. Do this. Look at the code in the workspace. Change the code so it makes the picture on the right. You do not need to add any new blocks to the code area. You only need to rearrange some blocks and change some of the values. All right, so tip number 1, close this. You do not need to add anything. Everything you need is already here. All right, so that's my tip to try and help you. You're trying to make this image right here, so the 4 ellipses, or whatever you call them, and then the purple rectangle on top, the purple square. All right, so rubric. This is how you'll be graded. So no evidence. The picture is either the same or any changes appear to be unrelated to the assignment. Limited evidence. The square has been moved, is purple, and appears in front of the circles. Convincing evidence. The programmatic drawing is mostly the same as the drawing, but there may be some slight positioning errors, and there may be extra lines of code. And then, last but not least, the one you should be aiming for, extensive evidence. The programmatic, that is such an interesting word. The programmatic drawing is identical to the example and is contained within the 7 lines of code. All right, so there you have the rubric. You're aiming for this one, so we're just going to close all the rest because they should not even be in your hemisphere of thought. You're only working with this. You do not need to look at the toolbox, and you're trying to make this image right here. If I run it right now, that's what we get. So with that, I'm going to hush and let you work and just say good luck. I know you can do this. All right, see you on level 9.